Students, in this video, we will learn about how is energy stored in a charged capacitor. Consider about parallel plate capacitor. This is the first plate and this is second plate. Okay. Actually, in the charging process, first plate is connected to the positive terminal of the charger and second plate is connected to the negative terminal of the charger. Okay. Initially, there is no any charge over the surface of first and second plates. Okay, that's why on applying the first bit of positive charge to the first plate, here work has not to be done. Why? Because you know that V equal W upon Q or W equal V into Q. Because on the surface of both both plates of the capacitor, charge is 0. That's why W will be equal V into 0 equal 0. Okay. It is clear that on applying the first bit of positive charge to the first plate of the capacitor, work has not to be done. Okay, now this is the first bit of charge on induction. By the induction, here negative charge will be induced. Now we are applying the second bit of positive charge. On applying the second bit of positive charge to the first plate, against the repulsive force of the first bit, here work has to be done, and this work is stored in the form of potential energy between the two plates of the capacitor. Okay. Now, so this is the first bit. By the induction, here negative charge will be induced. Okay. We can apply third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, and so on. By the induction, here negative charge will be induced. Okay. We have to find the energy stored between the two plates of the capacitor. Okay. Now let the charge on the first plate is Q plus Q dash at any instant, and on the second plate minus Q dash. Okay. Now to calculate the potential energy stored in the capacitor, here in the second diagram we will understand this is plus Q dash minus Q dash. Okay. To calculate the work done, we assume that the small amount of positive charge dq dash positive charge is brought from the second plate to the first plate of the capacitor against the repulsive force of positive charges. Here work has to be done. Okay, and this work is stored in the form of potential energy. Okay, now we have to calculate this. Initially, the potential between two plates when charges are plus Q dash and minus Q dash, the potential will be V dash equal Q dash upon C, where C is the capacitance of the capacitor. Okay. Now small charge plus dq dash is brought from plate second to plate first. Small work has to be done dW. Work has to be done dW. We have to find dW. Okay. Now you know that V equal W upon Q. Okay. Now that's why dW will be W will be V into Q, or dW will be V dash into dq dash. This is the work done in bringing dq dash, a small amount of charge dq dash, between the potential difference v dash. Okay, the value of v dash is q dash upon c into dq dash. Okay, this work done is in bringing positive dq dash, small amount of charge from second plate to first plate. We have to find the work done, total work done in charging the capacitor. Okay, by charge q dash equal 0 to q dash equal q. Okay, for that we have to integrate this work done from 0 charge to q. Okay, now it will be equal 0 to q, and the value q dash upon c into dq dash. Okay, now on taking common 1 upon c, it will be w and equal to 1 upon c, and integration of 0 to q dash into dq dash, or w equal 1 upon c on integrating q dash, it will q dash square upon 2 0 to q, or 1 upon 2c q dash square 0 to q. On taking limit, w will be equal 1 upon 2c. We have to put the value of q dash, upper limit is q, so in the place of q dash, q square will be there, and minus lower limit is 0, so it will be w equal 1 upon 2c into q square. This is the work done, and this work done is stored in the form of potential energy. So potential energy between two plates will be 1 upon 2 into q square upon c. This is the equation first. Okay, now we know that q equal cv. That's why this equation first becomes 1 upon 2 and cv square upon c, or u equal 1 upon 2 into cv square. Okay, this is equation second. We also know that v equal q upon c, or c equal q upon v. On putting the value of c, q upon v in equation first, we will get u equal 1 upon 2 into q square. In the place of c, here q upon v, c equal q upon v, it will be q to q cancel, and 1 upon 2 here q and v, or u equal 1 upon 2 qv. This is the another formula, the third formula. Okay, then three formulas are there of potential energy stored between the two plates of the capacitor. Okay, thank you.